So for today, I'm gonna try to do a crochet wig with the U part. And so this is why I got this wig. This is technically for like wigs, like weave or tracks, but it has holes in it, so it works. For this wig I have on my head, I use this one. I found some hair at the beauty supply store, and it's really cute. It's supposed to be like 4C textured hair, and this is how it looks. I got 3 packs, like the same amount I will put in my hair, and then you just pull and then it just comes apart, and then you can separate it nice and easy. Let me just show you guys how to do it. So I already did a row to see if it was possible, and it is. So I'm just gonna keep going around and around until I fill it up. But what I am gonna do, so it's not like way too full, I'm going to, so you need a crochet needle and hair. Crochet hair, a dome head, a wig cap, and some wig pins to hold your wig down. This is the U-part wig cap that I'm using. So it came with some wig clips that I could sew one in the front for the wig cap. And yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna space each of them out a middle finger apart, and then I'm gonna do each row a finger apart like this, and then I'll do like windows, so there'll be one between this one, between this one, between this one, between this one. So I'll show you guys so you can see it. So I'm gonna go like right here. Yes, perfect. I'm just gonna put it through. You don't want to grab too much because you don't want the cap to start shrinking, but I'm just gonna go through a couple just like that with it open. Put this in, close it, pull it through, and then just stick these 2 pieces in and pull. And that's that. Easy peasy. Okay, so I'm gonna go in the middle of these 2. I'm going to grab a couple, go through, open, close. So when you put it through, it has to be open, and you close it when it comes back, and then put it in there, and that's it. And then like if I feel like I need more hair at the end, I'll just go in and add. Okay, I'll do 2 more. So between here, let me see, can't really see. Okay, a little bit. Put it in, close it, pull it through, come on, and then pull. So take it, put it through a couple, just a couple holes, pull it through, and then there. Hopefully I explained it good. When I get to the top, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it more, but for now you can just see me filling it back and the sides. So yeah, I separated the hair, as you can see, so that means we can move fast now. I did find the clips that I was talking about that came to this, so I'll show you how to put them on and where I'm gonna put them when we get there. But now that we have the hair all separated, we can get started. I'll let you guys see me do a couple of rows, and then after that I'll come back when I get to like the top, so I can show you guys how to do like an invisible crochet knot. You can hear my heater in the back, it's cold, but I'm gonna go ahead and go, and you guys can just watch the process. Okay, so I finished this side, and I think it came out pretty good. And that was quick. Like, that took me like, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. And this was not even one pack, so I think we're gonna be good on the packs. I'm going to keep going and fill up the whole back and the other side, and then when I get to the front, I will start recording again. But I think it's coming out pretty cute, if you ask me. I'm back. Wait, hold on. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do the invisible knot. What you do is put it through like we've been doing. Like that. If you can see, it's open. Hook it on. Close the latch. Pull it through. Open it up. Only pull one side of the curl through and pull. Here's the wig. I added the combs. I added 3 combs at the opening, and then 1 comb in the back. Where is it? In the back. And I'm gonna show y'all how I parted my hair. Alright, so I have the center part parted out, and then I did 2 little braids so that the clips could go in, and then the rest is just twisted back. And then I did some little twists in the front so I could have a middle part. So the reason I'm doing like leave out is because like I kind of want to leave my edges out, because I don't know if you could tell, well, you don't know how my edges were before, but they're like a little bit thinner than they used to be, and that comes a lot from like the combs from the other wigs, and like the frontals when I glue it down. I know people like put their frontals like down here, but honestly, not to make in front of everybody that wear frontals and they wear it on their head, but I have a small forehead, so like a really small forehead. So if I put the wig off and my edges like come down kind of far, so once I put the wig on, if I don't want it to touch my edges at all, the wig is literally going to be on my eyebrows, and I don't like that look. So when I do frontals, I put it like literally right here, and I feel like that's kind of still putting a strain on my edges because it still has to be on top of like the sides. And now it's a little thin, and I'm just over it. So I'm gonna give my edges a break with this wig, and so let's put it on so you guys can see the full effect.
Let's put the wig on. It is very simple. I'm just gonna put this part right here, and I'm gonna bring these and put it at the edge of the wig. And that's that. And put this on in the back. And it has drawstrings on this, which is really good because I tightened it a lot.
Alright, so I took out this one already. Let's take out this one.
So I'm pretty sure it twists a little better if I wash my hair. I only wet it. But I could tell, like, if I did them a little bit smaller and my hair was washed, freshly washed, this is gonna look really good. I can't wait to take pictures of it when I finally wear it out. So when I'm done with my old wig, I'm going to start wearing this one. Just unwrap it. Ooh, this hair is so cute. I love it. I love the fact that I can wear this out. And I feel like as long as this isn't half up and half down, it's possible with this wig. I'm gonna do that hairstyle when I kind of get tired of it. I'll show you guys how to turn this into a half up, half down. I'm still kind of fresh on the... I'm looking at it too much right now.
Oh, you want to put some baby hairs, let's put a little baby hair. And that's it. And the rest is history. You guys like it? I think this came out really good. If you guys like it, thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions or you guys want to see something else, just let me know. But let's get a little bit of slow-moing here. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope I explained it to you guys. Very simple, like it's easy, 1 2 3. It took me about 30-40 minutes to do it because it literally, you seen how fast I was just like moving through. Once you get the hang of it, it should be fine. And this is a hairstyle that you know that you can just throw on when you're ready, and it'll last longer because you don't have to sleep in this hair now you can take it off, put it on sheet, and then go about your business. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. I have so many things that I say this every video, but there is a lot coming. I'm gonna be more consistent. Subscribe so that you don't miss a video, and make sure you click the notification bar so that you are informed when I post. I'm thinking it's gonna be every Thursday. Look out for my Mask Mondays on Instagram. Follow me at Akimi Nicole, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.